Welcome to the RHC Wellness Channel, where we talk about all things holistic health and wellness, and share tools that empower you to take charge of your own healing and well-being. Welcome to this meditation to relieve depression and anxious thoughts. Make sure you are in a comfortable position and bring your focus to your breath, really paying attention to how your lungs expand and contract when you inhale and exhale. Let your breath flow however it wants to right now. Notice your jaw, and if you feel any tension there, just notice it. Now breathe into the sensations in your jaw, and as you exhale, allow it to release a little. Inhale again. Imagine that you're breathing in new life. And when you exhale, let all fear completely fade. Take another breath in, and when you exhale, feel yourself let go of any worries. Notice how relaxed you're becoming right now. Let another breath come in naturally, imagining a bright future. And as you let it go, notice how tension and worry eases and fades. A gentle wave of relaxation sweeps over you as you breathe in and out. Allow your breath to flow naturally now. Let yourself feel calm and peaceful. You deserve this wonderful feeling of serenity. You're now open to receive new thoughts. Open up even more with each breath you take to new and fresh energy. Notice how new ideas begin to present themselves to you. Bring up feelings of abundance, as if you have so much that your cup pours over for others to enjoy the abundance you've created. Imagine that you're energized and have a zeal for life. Even if this is not true of your present self, imagine it vividly and with as much detail as you can. See yourself full of energy and optimism. You can imagine it as if you are watching a movie of yourself, if this helps. See the colors brightly and watch yourself full of ambition, taking steps toward achievement. Stay with your breath and allow yourself to feel excited about these visions. Even if you don't feel it in this moment, imagine what being joyful is like. Breathe into this joy you're creating and let your exhale completely relax you. Any thoughts that previously held you back become smaller and smaller. You realize that you have all you need to overcome your obstacles. You have the insight and the energy to accomplish all you'd like. Allow yourself a few moments to simply be. Notice and feel change from this moment right now and the difference between how you felt before you began this meditation. Return your focus to your breath for a few moments. In your own time, whenever you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Good. Commend yourself for making these steps towards a better life. Accept this wonderful change to your new life. Take as much time as you'd like to just be in gratitude for several moments. And when you're ready, begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, gently finding small movement and gradually opening your eyes with a refreshed mindset, rejuvenated and energized by by taking this short amount of time to reset. Thank you for joining me for this mindfulness practice. If you liked it and found it useful, please like this video on YouTube. If you haven't yet, click that red subscribe button below to support our channel and stay tuned for more resources regarding holistic health, wellness, and well-being. Thank you.